So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Google Recruitment Drive 2021 or Google Off-Campus Drive 2021, which is applicable for freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates and the lateral hiring updates and the interview preparation videos or the guides. And don't forget to check our latest videos because TCS, IBM, Cognizant, HCL and Microsoft etc. are hiring with a very good salary package for different job profiles. So don't forget to watch the TCS NQT off-campus video especially, because in this video will be discussed about the eligibility criteria, application process and the syllabus etc. So I'll be putting the links of these videos in the description of this video so that you'll be able to watch our videos and know more about the application process and the last date to apply for the job profiles or the job roles before the job role expires. So now let's discuss. So first of all, we'll be discussing about the job role, then we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria, and at last we'll be discussing about the application process. So one by one we'll be discussing. So I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end. So later you may not be getting any difficulties, or you can say may not be facing any issues or problems while applying for the job profiles. So the job role they are hiring for software engineer, university graduate, and job location they are hiring for Bangalore or Hyderabad. You can join any of these locations as per your convenience or preference, either Bangalore or Hyderabad. So here they have not specified any experience required for this job profile. That means fresh graduates and experienced candidates can apply for this job profile starting from 0 to 2 years mainly, because they are asking for university graduate and 2021 start. So minimum qualification required is bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. So if you see carefully here, they have not asked for any specific branch like CSE or IT background candidates can apply. That means here, irrespective of their branch, anyone can apply for this job profile if they belong to any bachelor's degree or any other equivalent experience or qualification background. Then experience in working with Unix or Linux, Windows or Mac environment, distributed systems or the machine learning information retrieval and the TCP, ICP, IP, etc. So for the fresh graduates or the fresher candidates, they might not be having experience in the technologies, but you must be having skills in these technologies like Unix, Linux, etc. and experience in programming languages like C or C++, Java, Python, etc. That means the scripting languages you must be knowing. So these are the minimum qualification or the skills required here, and they have not asked for any specific percentage like 85 percentage or 75 percentage like Cisco asks for minimum of 80 percentage throughout your academic career. Every time they ask for, but one thing is good about Google, that they never ask for any minimum percentage required for the job profiles. In any job profiles if you check, they never ask for minimum percentage criteria. That means minimum percentage required to apply any job. That means if you have either 60 percentage or 50 percentage, does not matter. If you are skilled or if you have experience, then you can apply for the job profiles. If your profile is matching, they definitely give you an opportunity to apply for this off campus or to attend this off campus. And preferred qualification is master's degree or PhD. This is the preferred qualification, but minimum qualification or criteria is this. So if you are interested for this job profile, you need to simply click on the apply button here. After that you will be able to apply for this job profile. So after clicking on the apply, it will take you to the application form directly. So after that, the title, it is already there because you are applying for the software engineer. Resume you need to apply, attach, select file. Then contact detail you need to put legal name, that means full name, country, region, etc. City you need to put or select. Then zip code is it is not mandatory. Email address automatically it will pop up according to your email address or the Google account you have already logged in into your system or in your phone. Then phone number you need to put. Then higher qualification, attended the university degree program, yes or no you need to put. After that, if you are putting yes or choosing yes, you need to put your school or the college name. Degree you need to choose. Degree status, whether it is completed or not, now attending or incomplete you need to put or select. Then major or the area of study, country or region you need to select. Then work experience. So if you are a fresh graduate or fresher applying for your first job, that means this is the first job, then you need to click on the no. That means if you are a fresher, you need to click on the yes. If you are an experienced candidate, then simply choose no. Then you need to fill up all these things: employer name, that means company name, job title, start date. So currently if you are working for this company, then you need to simply click on the this is your current job, otherwise uncheck this. Then end date you need to select. After selecting all these things or providing all these informations, you need to simply click on the next. So after clicking on the next button, it will take you to the simply to the uh, privacy policy agreement, etc. So I am not able to click on the next button here. That's because I have not provided all these mandatory fields or the details here, so that's why I am not be able to click on the next. So after providing all these details, you need to simply click on the so you need to mm, check the privacy policies, etc. Then click on the submit button. That's it. So this is all about the application process. So I hope all are able to understand the hiring process, or you can say the application process and the eligibility. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.